I hope you clicked on this video with the intention of seeing me get really angry. So my hair's kind of a mess because I'm about to go to the gym, and so I haven't showered yet today. I'm gonna shower after I go to the gym. And also on top of that, the Toyota my Toyota Tacoma my Toyota Tacoma with the 3.4 engine, you know, like the most reliable engine, she fucking blew up. Did you hear that? Yeah. It blew up. Actually, I'm gonna go grab my keys. I'm gonna try and start it. But, yeah, the Toyota Tacoma's fucking blown up. So, no more of that. She's fucking blown up. Boop. Come on, you fucker. Oh, she's just not even trying anymore. Alright. That's real nice. So yeah, guys, the story is I was off-roading, you know, just hauling ass up in the woods because it's a Tacoma. I mean, that's what you do with it. And, you know, going up these trails, and all of a sudden, it just shut off. It just shut off, and I was still going. I was like, what the hell just happened? So then I popped the hood, and it's all smoking, and it's like boiling hot. I poured some water on it, and it was instantly boiling within 0 milliseconds. And so yeah, it was like fried, and I was like, oh shit, we're 30 miles up in the woods with nobody else, no other trucks, no cell service, nothing. And we're just up in the woods. What am I gonna do? So then I was like, you know, I think it just got a little hot, even though my temp gauge stayed at the same exact motherfucking temperature the whole entire time. That would have helped me, you little bitch. My motor probably wouldn't have blown up if you had worked, you stupid temp gauge. But yeah, I was just at, you know, like, oh, the truck's not hot, it's at perfect temperature. Yeah, liar, fucking bitch. Don't fucking lie to me, bitch. Anyways, so yeah, I was like, oh, I'll just let it cool off. So we let it cool off for like an hour, and I tried to start it again. It started. I was like, okay, wow. And so we hauled ass out of the woods, and it kept trying to shut off, and I was like, bitch. It would like shut off, but we were going downhill, so I'd bump start it again, and we'd haul ass down the hill, and it would run, and it was starting to make worse and worse sounds, and it was just like. And so, like, we finally got to the main road, and I just started hauling ass. I'm like, oh, God, no, come on. You can make me out of here. And, you know, she got us out of there, but, you know, she was smoking like a tweaker on meth. I don't know. So, yeah, we were hauling ass, and it started making really bad noises from the engine, just. Also, there was no oil in it because it leaks so much oil, and I filled up the oil before, and usually it lasts me about a month, but this time when I filled up the oil, it lasted me about a motherfucking day and a half. Stupid motherfucker, am I right? We were just hauling ass down the road trying to get back, and it was just like. I was like, all right, I'm just gonna let the fucker die. So I pulled her back into neutral and let it go, and it just instantly shut off. Pulled her over on the side of the road, tried to crank it, just cranked real slow. It's not seized, but cranked real slow, and I was like, oh, fuck. And then it wouldn't crank again. I was like, all right, well, maybe I'll just fill her up with oil. So we filled her up with oil, did the same thing. Then we had to tow the motherfucker all the way back here. The thing is, you can still get it to run if you bump start it, and it runs good while it's cold, kind of. It makes terrible, terrible noises, and if you press the throttle any more than 1/8, it starts backfiring and bogging and fucking throwing rods left and right. But you know, she's a fucking Yoda. I did bump start it the other day, and you know, I drove, and I was like, you know, maybe I can still get to work with this thing. And it got hot within 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, it was fucking smoking like I almost called the fire department. I thought the truck was on fire. The motherfucking Tacoma! I literally have fucking nothing now. The Duramax is fucking still crippled as a motherfucker. I mean, you want to see that? Oof. Still, just waiting on parts. Been like 3 months.
Where the fuck is my subframe, you goddamn motherfucking CST lift kit company bitch ass?
Toyota Tacoma, fucking dick in the butt. You were my last source of reliable transportation and you, killed yourself. I don't really blame you. So yeah, I've come to, desperate times and I had to, rent this truck from, the Toyota dealership. They loaned me this truck while they send me a new engine. So yeah, it's a good loaner truck. Just kidding, obviously none of that's real. If you believed that.
What the fuck? Are you retarded?
What is that? Those are my fucking keys because I just threw them here. Because I'm just gonna eat my hella protein and get some fucking hella gains, but yeah, I'm gonna rock on in the gym and kill myself. So, LMFAO. So, yeah, that's where we're at right now. The fucking loaner truck that someone loaned me now does not work. It's just fucking dead. It did this earlier, but we were like, okay, threw a new battery in it, started up, and fucking won't start again. Are you fucking kidding me? 3 broken down rigs in my driveway just chilling. And one of them isn't even mine. It was just loaned to me. Are you... What the fuck? What the actual fuck? Why? What the fuck? Oh my god.